Hi, welcome back to another video of Grace Loves Life, and today we are going to be rating my stepmother's fidgets.
Stepmom's Fidgets. She's got some nice fidgets in here. So first I'm going to be taking this puppet. It's really nice. It's super bad. No, there's nothing really wrong with this. The colors are good. There's nothing off. But I don't like that there's not any red. I know red can't hold this puppet back, but I'm gonna give you a 9.8 out of 10. Now we have this lovely circle. Super duper good. Listen, this is the good side. Now this is the bad side. It's really good. Nothing is holding you back except that you are completely yellow. So, but I really like it. It's not about the color, it's about the pop. So if I just said that, so you're gonna get a 10 out of 10. You're gonna get a 10 out of 10. So now we have to grab the basket. I got the little bat. Super nice. It's a needle. She literally got all these before Fidgets were even popular, except for the poppets. But yeah, this is a really nice one. She's more her desk, but she's working right now, and you don't want to interrupt her to grab it. So yeah, this is really nice. I love it. I'm sad that it doesn't have a little face, but this feels amazing. This is so a 10 out of 10. Albert. So he's not very good. He has sand inside. So you should think he should be stretchy like a banana. No. He has rubber like a normal toy. He's just the tiniest bit of sand to give him some texture. He's got some texture around him, and he's stretchy. I think that's what makes him a fidget. Stretchiness and a little texture of him. But he's not so great at fidgets. Sorry, Albert. Oh, and he's lost an eye. He has lost an eye. So we're gonna give Mr. Albert here a 6 out of 10. Sorry, Albert. Ooh, I got Fred. Say hi, Fred. Boy. So he is a dough ball. He's got a lot of air in him though. I'm not sure where I got him. No, I'm not sure where this came from. I had one. Her name was Miss Carrot's unicorn, but she popped. But these things are pretty good. Dough ball, flamingo, he's cute, but he's a little hard to squeeze. So I'm gonna give him, and he has some air in it, so I'm gonna give him a 0.5 out of 10. Sorry, friend. Ooh, I got this really nice one. Oh. You see that? Jeannie, say hi. No, let me give you looks now. She just did a little burp. Okay, but this is a squishy. It's super duper nice and soft. It's a pear. Really nice though. It's not as slow rising as I would hope. It's kind of fast rising. but it's super soft. It feels really nice. So I'm gonna give you a 9 out of 10. Bye-bye. Okay, now we're going to, we got a cat needle. It's an orange, pretty color. Super duper nice. And I love like just the sound that it makes. Super pretty and super nice squish. So I'm gonna give you a 10 out of 10. Sit with your other needle. Oh, I got one of her favorite things. Oh my goodness, it's so pretty. It's kind of worn off though, but it's a slow rise and squishy. And it's super soft and nice and squish. This is definitely just an automatic 10 out of 10. I'll just take Mochi. There's rubber band scars on him. Here's a normal Mochi. He's nice. He's a little harder than others. Sticky on the belly and on the head. Everywhere else is just normal. It's not a nice Mochi squish, but still Mochi. So I'm gonna give this Fidget a 8 out of 10. Got the last two. Oh, the last three. All Play-Dohs. Nice. Oh my goodness, it smells super good. It's Play-Doh, so it smells good. It's new. It's fresh. So. .7. Smells nice. It's banana. It's new. No squishier than others, so it's gonna be an 8.3. And now we have the red. It smells like strawberry. Yeah, it feels pretty nice. It's nice and squishy. It's not new, but it's nice. So I'm gonna give you a 8.9 out of 10. So yeah, that's the end of my video. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you have a great day. So bye. Also, shout out for and by the way, this is the stepmom who donated her Fidgets, so this video. Okay, bye bye. Gotta go to supper.